Welcome back. Today, we're taking you to the stunning shore of Leblon Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Get ready to bask in the golden sun, enjoy fun activities, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of this iconic beach. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Leblon Beach is famous for its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. It's the perfect spot to relax, soak up the sun, and take a refreshing dip in the ocean. One of the highlights of Leblon Beach is its lively crowd. You'll find friendly locals and visitors from all over the world. And yes, the beautiful Brazilian women add to the charm of this beach paradise. Leblon Beach isn't just about sunbathing. There are plenty of fun activities to keep you entertained. From beach volleyball and surfing to paddleboarding and beach soccer, there's something for everyone. After a day of fun in the sun, you can unwind at one of the many beachfront cafes and restaurants. Enjoy delicious Brazilian cuisine, sip on a refreshing caipirinha, and watch the sunset over the Atlantic Ocean. As the day comes to an end, Leblon Beach offers some of the most breathtaking sunsets you'll ever see. It's the perfect way to wrap up an unforgettable day at one of Brazil's most iconic beaches. Thanks for joining us on this virtual trip to Leblon Beach. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sandy Escapes for more amazing travel destinations and exciting stories. See you in the next video.